This is Physics Jamb 2023 first question. Calculate the absolute pressure at the bottom of a lake at depth 32.8 meter. Assume the density of the water is 1 exponential 3 kilogram per meter cube and the air above is at pressure of 101.3 Pascal. So you are to calculate for the absolute pressure, and the absolute pressure is the pressure, the air pressure plus the liquid pressure. So we are to calculate the liquid pressure now. So from the question we are given a height of 32.8, and also we are given the density rho of 1 exponential 3 kilogram per meter cube, and we are also given g, acceleration due to gravity here, which is 9.8. So we have height of 32.8 meter and we have density of 1 exponential 3 kilogram per meter cube, and g equals to 9.8 meter per second square, and this is the pressure of the air above. So we are to calculate for the liquid pressure. So the formula for calculating liquid pressure is this: P equals to h, density and acceleration due to gravity. So the height h is 32.8, which is this, times density, which is 1 exponential 3, this one, times the value of g, which is this one, 9.8. If you multiply them all, you will get this number, 321440 Pascal. So if you convert it into kilopascal, this is what you are going to get by dividing it by 1000. If you divide this number by 1000, it will become kilopascal. Then you will get 32144 kilopascal. So the absolute pressure or total pressure is equals to the pressure given times the liquid pressure that we have just calculated, which is this 32144 kilopascal, plus the pressure given, pressure on the air, which is 101.3. If you sum them, you will have, if you add them together, you will have 422.7 kilopascal. So this is the value of absolute pressure, which is option D is the answer. So thank you. Follow and subscribe for more.